Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving a lead code question that is 136 single number. Problem states that given a non-empty array of integer nums, every element appear twice except for one. Find that element. It means we have a vector and we need to find the single element in it, and all the element rest is appears as twice. Only the one element what we need to return that appears once in a vector. Let's suppose here 1 is appear twice, 2 is also appear twice. What is the rest element is? It is 4. This is what we need to give. The output is 4. Let's try to solve it. Let's have a vector num equals to 4 1 2 1 2. First we introduce then XOR operation. We can also use hash map to solve it, but we solve through XOR because we need to optimize the space so that we don't use hash map. That is why we use an XOR property. What is it? XOR property is nothing but if your element is same, then it will give 0. If it is not same, then it will give the element that is different from 0. How it is calculate that? Just write the binary of first element, that is 0. For here 1 is 001 and for 1 is also 001. If the element is same, then it is 0 0 0, then the answer is 0. If we solve for this like 0 0 0 and 0 0 1, binary for 0, binary for 1, let's different element will go 1 and rest will go 0 as they are same. What this binary represents? It's 1. What is our answer? Yes, it's 1. Okay, so let's use this property to solve this. We just iterate one by one. First we initialize and say the variable name as x equals to 0. It means there is if the element is different, then we'll give the same element. So that is why we need initialize with 0. Start iterating for I equals to 0, I lesser than n is the size of our vector, I is plus plus, and we need to just multiplying one by one and store in the x. So just write like x is nothing but x, use the sign that is XOR. Now what is multiplying? The first element, then second, then third, then fourth, then so on up to n minus 1. So what is the name of our vector? That is nums. We need to just nums of I. This is an element to multiply it and just return it. Return the value of x. It will going to be our answer. How? Just try run this. First we initialize the x as 0 and start iterating for I equals to 1. Let I equals to 4 0. Okay, it means I is pointing at here for the initial state. What we write in our code that you initialize the 0, yes, just take the first element from the vector and multiplying with x, which is another XOR. Just don't multiply, but means you need to XOR of the first element, that is nums of 0 in this case. What is it? X equals to, what is the value of x? Now it is 0 0 XOR nums of 0. What is it? It is 4. Nums of 0, what is going to be the value? Just solve this. 0 in binary representation we represent like that, and for 4 it is this. And if the element is same, then 0. If opposite, then just 1. What is this value? This is 4. We need to update our x as 4. Now x is going to be 4. Okay. Now the loop continue and I will be plus plus. What is the here? Now the I will plus plus and becomes 1, and just x equals to x XOR nums of 1. What is nums of 1? Just check it out. Nums of 0 1 2 3 and 4. What is num of 1? That is 1. This I will point here, not there. Okay, take an XOR with the existing x. X equals to existing of is, what is the existing value? 4 XOR what we see, num of 1, it is 1. Take an XOR of 4 XOR 1. How? Just write the binary representation of 4, binary representation of 1. Take an XOR just 1 0 1. How? If the element is opposite 1, else same element for 0. Okay, what is the value? It is 5. Then x will go to 5. Get the value of x. X is 5. Now for next iteration, I will plus plus. What is the value? It is 2. Just x of, what is the nums of 2? Check it. Nums of 2 is this I. It is what? It is 2. Just take an XOR with 5 XOR 2. Take the 5 value and 1 0 1 4. 2 is 1, that, and all the opposite, so it is 1. It is value of 4 2 and 1, that is 7. X will now update to 7. I think it's now last iteration I equals to 3, and just take an x equals to x XOR nums of 3. What is nums of 3? Let's check. Nums of 3 is 1. Okay, nums of 3 is 1. What is now the nums of 3? What is the num of value of 3? Num of 3 is 1. So num of 1 के लिए करना होगा 7 of 1, that is 1 1 1 and 0 0 1. What is, and it is 1 1 0. X will go to 6, and just for last it is x equals to 6. I will for 2 just 1 1 1 1 1 0, and for 2 is 0 1 0. Take an XOR. This is nothing but 0 0 1, and it is 4. X equals to 4. This is our answer. I will plus plus and check it out of I will plus plus, go there, and it is not 5 is not lesser than 5. So is our answer is now 4. Check, the output is 4. This is why it is. Check the code, just ignore this. Talking about the time complexity, we run for a loop for 0 to n minus 1, that is approximately order of n. And what we use, and is it we use any extra space? So no, so the space is order of 1. Thank you for watching. Bye.